How to remove background in Premiere Pro. To remove background in Premiere Pro, you typically use the Ultra Key effect, and here is a step-by-step guide on how to do that. Import your footage. Start by importing the video clip into your Premiere Pro project and create a new sequence. Right-click on your video clip in the project panel and select New Sequence from Clip to create a new sequence based on your clip settings. Apply the Ultra Key effect. Drag your video clip from the project panel to the timeline, then go to the Effects panel and search for the Ultra Key. Drag the Ultra Key effect onto your clip in the timeline and select the color to remove. Click on the eyedropper tool next to the key color perimeter. Use this tool to click on the color you want to remove from the background. This will usually be a solid color like green or blue if you're using a green or blue screen background. If not, that's fine. Adjust the matte generation settings in the Effect Controls panel to refine the key and remove any remaining traces of the background. You can adjust settings like matte cleanup, matte generation, and transparency to fine-tune the key. Once you've removed the background, you can composite your footage over a new background. You can add a new video or image to drag below your keyed footage in the timeline to add a new background. Make any additional adjustments to your composite as needed, such as color correction, scaling, or positioning. Preview your video to make sure the key looks good. Once you're satisfied, you can export your video by going to File, Export, Media, and choosing your export settings. Following these steps should help you remove the background from your footage using Premiere Pro's Ultra Key effect. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe.